What's up, guys? It's your boy Man. We're back and we got a little special for you today. We've got both sides of my more recent videos. We got ourselves a $10 50 times the box scratch off ticket, $10 ticket. We also have some cards that we will be opening up. 2017 Panini Contenders draft picks. So we'll start off with the normal for the channel, the $10 scratch off ticket. It has been quite a while since we played this one. So these are the rules. Match a number game. Money roll is an automatic win. The I don't know what you want to call that, like library symbol or whatever, is a $50 win. 50x win 50 times. Odds are 3.57. Here we go. If you hear any weird noises in the background, that's my daughter watching a movie. Couldn't get her to turn it down or turn it off. So here are our numbers. We got 19's our lowest and 39's our highest. So anything in between there and we might be good. Except for that number, 24, no go. 32, nope. No 40s. No 33s. No 21s. We're getting everything in between, just not the ones that we have. 29, 1 off. 38, 1 off. 31, no. 26, 1 off. 30, no. 9, no. 17, no. 10, no. And 15, no. So our luck on the scratch off tickets continues, which is just piss poor luck. Can't win anything on like any tickets anymore. Alright, so we're going to zoom out a little bit here. There we go. And we are going to try some of this 2017 Panini Contenders. If I can find... Alright, we'll just use a pen, I guess, here. Alright. Alright, so here's the deal with this box. We've got, I believe, either 6 or 7 packs with either 6 or 7 cards in each pack. So, we got 2, 3, 7 packs, 6 cards in each pack. That's what the pack looks like. Now, on the box, it says 2 autographs per box on average. So, unlike the last box, which was just, you know, packs, nothing guaranteed or whatever, this should have 2 autograph cards in it. So, we are going to get on it. Now, this is 2017 product, so there's no Saquon, which is Saquon Barkley's kind of my dude. I'm going to start picking up some 2018 stuff to try and get some of him. So we have Melvin Gordon to start. Monte Nicholson. So this is a backwards card. This might be one of the autographs already. Monte Nicholson. And it is Monte Nicholson. Can't say that I've ever heard of the guy. Did go to Michigan State. What was he? Cornerback, maybe? What does it say on the back? 6'2", he was a safety. Alright, so not numbered, but something decent. Something decent to start. Sean Watson, passing grades, insert. A Leonard Fournette, insert. Not numbered. A Danian Tomlinson, and a Rob Gronkowski. Alright. Hopefully, we get one of the more decent rookies from last year as our next auto. Eddie Lacy, T.Y. Hilton, Evan Ingram inserts, a Mike Williams insert, Greg Olsen, and a Trevor Siemian. Alright. don't mind the look of these cards. They're, they're pretty decent, and with licensing and whatnot, they're in their college uniforms, so it's pretty cool. Jason Witten, Channing Schreiberling, I guess that's how you pronounce his name. Looks like this is going to be our next auto, and it is. Another guy that I can't say that I've heard of his name before, but alright. Isaiah Ford inserts, Zeke Elliott inserts, Julio Jones, and a Braxton Miller. Alright. So 2 guys from the Big Ten 2017 draft class. Not Penn State guys. I don't remember who would have been Penn State last year. Amari Cooper, a Lawrence Taylor, Alvin Kamara inserts, Christian McCaffrey inserts, Marshall Faulk, and a Derrick Henry. So if there's anybody on the channel that, you wouldn't mind having one of these cards, shoot me a message and maybe we can make it happen. Garrett Blunt, Dan Marino, there's an old school guy. Jordan Leggett inserts. Chad Kelly inserts. Brett Favre, look at that, Brett Favre, old school right there. And Marvin Jones Jr. Alright, 2 packs to go. Hopefully we can snag a numbered card. A numbered card would be pretty sick, I think, out of a retail blaster box, which is what this is. We got a Paxton Lynch, Zeke Elliott base, Dante Foreman, a Bo Jackson school colors. Bo Jackson's a beast. Devontae Freeman, and a Russell Wilson. It's hard to not like Russell Wilson, but as a 49ers fan, I kind of despise the guy. I mean, he's like 6'0", and all he does is win. Todd Gurley, Joe Namath, that is super old school. What is this? Collegiate Connections, Donnell Pumphrey and Marshall Faulk. He was a beast. Alvin Kamara inserts, a J.J. Watts, and an Aaron Rodgers. Alright. So there you have it, guys. Our 2 autos from that box. Channing Schreiberling and a Monte Nicholson. Can't say that I've heard of either one of those guys. I don't even know where they may have been drafted. Doesn't say on either of these cards. Alright, there you go, guys. Appreciate you watching. God bless, and we'll get on some more of them lottery tickets, and hopefully we can find a winner one of these days. Alright, take care, guys. God bless. Bye.